Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Microsoft Excel 2010. So first of all, simply open your Microsoft Excel 2010 on your Windows computer. Afterwards, when you click on the option of file on the top left hand corner of the screen, you will be landed here on this particular page. Now over here, click on the option of account and it is going to basically show you this type of page. Now over here, you will see the option of update option, and after clicking on it, the very first option would be of update now. So I wanted to click on the option of update now. Then Microsoft Office is going to basically take some time and check whether there is any latest update available or not. Now if there is no update available, it will show that you are up to date and it is the latest version that you are currently using. So that's how basically you can update your Microsoft Excel 2010. Now here is one important thing that you need to understand, that Office 2010 reached end of the support on October 13, 2020. This means that there is no new security updates and the technical support for Excel 2010 in 2026. So you can install the updates that were released during its supported lifetime, but there is no current Excel 2010 updates being released today. If there is any update, it will be basically shown over here. So if this video helped you understand this, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.